Jen Gallacher here today with a Jillibean soup tutorial. I'm going to show you how our foam stickers work great on our mixed media surfaces. Now this particular set is one of our new sets, and I will link you to the foam stickers we offer with our current collections. We have designed these to work on cards and scrapbooking layouts, but we also planned to have them work on our mixed media pieces. So let me show you how easy it is to add foam stickers to something like this galvanized sign. Now this is a 6x6 inch sign. Just gonna tear out the middle here. Now I could remove the center piece. It does have the little tabs here, and you can use a screwdriver to remove this piece here. But for time's sake, I will just show you how easy this is. So first what I will do is I will take the piece of mix the media. I will take the foam stickers and I'll look at different ones that would fit. So this super cute would fit. It would fill up the whole thing. Love in the center might be cute. Smile might be cute. But for instance, sunshine is too wide for this piece. So you might have to divide it up or get creative. We have both black and white foam stickers. And I am going to use the hello. And before I make it like perfectly placed, I'll just put it down just enough to kind of hold it in place. This particular sticker comes in two pieces, so I want to make sure that I get the alignment right. And they do have a little bit of give to them. So I just want to make sure before I go crazy and stick it down, I like the placement of it. I just want to make sure that looks nice. Then just go ahead and stick it down. Now I want to further dress this up a little bit. So I'm going to use some of our felt flowers, and I think I'm just going to stick with the yellow ones today. So I'll just take some glue, and they do have foam adhesive on the back, but when I'm doing a piece like this where it has a little bit more going on and it's going to be hung on the wall, I want to make sure that I get enough glue on it so it stays in place. So we'll do some felt flowers. We have different felt flowers in our store, so you can get a couple different kinds. You'll notice I picked two yellows, slightly different tones, slightly different look. And then I have felt leaves that I've just cut from over-the-counter felt. I'm just kind of sticking these underneath. We'll add one more here at the top, just to bring in some of that light green. Okay, that took, what, 3 minutes tops to make this home decor piece. But because the foam sticker is dimensional, it looks amazing. So let me show you another project I used a foam sticker on. This is one of our acrylic pieces, and it comes with the acrylic already in the wooden block, so you can see here. And I just placed one of our white foam stickers in the center, and then I hot glued some actual fake flowers from Michael's just on the bottom of that wood block. So you can see here, just by using the foam stickers, how quick and easy it is to add dimension and finish up a project really quickly. Now I'll probably add a little bit of ribbon here just to finish it off. But again, check out all of our foam stickers, and then check out our mix media surfaces and start thinking about how you can mix these up and make some awesome home decor pieces. Thank you for joining us for today's tutorial. Be sure to visit our blog for additional inspiration.